In this video, you'll learn how to install WSO2 Integrator BI and set up your development environment. Microsoft Visual Studio Code is the recommended editor for building integrations. Go to the Extensions view and install WSO2 Integrator BI extension. It will download and set up Ballerina distribution during the installation. It will take a bit of time to download the artifacts into your local environment. Once the download is complete, restart the VS Code. Now you can start creating your first integration by using the Create Integration option in the editor.